Hallo? Oh, good morning. Sorry I'm late today. Had some issues on work, but we are all good now. Let's make a trailer today, guys. And I also did not check, has Steam responded to me yet? Is the game already accepted on Steam? Currently, we are looking to release the game, hopefully in the on the 2nd of February. No, my game is still in the review queue. So currently the game is uploaded to Steam and we are waiting on the review queue. And I've asked them what I can show from the game on stream. And it is okay if I show you guys this page right here. And this is what we got yesterday. 45 wish lists. Thank you guys very much for the support. It's not as crazy as the day before, which was 111. But 45 is well beyond anything I ever had, ever. So thank you very much, guys. This is because I've been pinning the messages on the streams. Hope you guys have a good day so far. Welcome you guys on YouTube. Inano, David, Paco, David. Good morning, chat. Hello there. Mr. Kashida, Mr. Warlock, Mr. Guja Cheeseburgers. Intmain Return Zero. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, Capushman. Yeah, and so today we're going to make a trailer.
Clown.
You're a clown. We're going to make a trailer for the Steam page. Unfortunately, the Steam capsule is still not done, but the guy's working on it. So let's hope it is done by the end of the week. Hopefully. I really need it soon. Yeah, trailer. That's the thing we gotta do. The capsule is not done, no, Mr. Chakal. Unfortunately. Hello there, Mr. Ami. Wait. HL H Lul Ani my difficult name, my man. Good afternoon from my side. Good afternoon, my man. Hi, mate. Hello there, my man. And Kurera, good morning. Tangy t-shirts. Cringe. Good morning. Yeah, so here is the idea for the trailer. Start zoomed in close to the shop. Buy an item with a skill. Show Tangy using an ability on hit. That is not Tangy, but Tangy. Chain lighting. Then zoom out to show a map full of action. Show skill tree. Show bleed pops, wind slash. Show Tangy replacing a unit somewhere.
Hello.
Ranger arrows in a circle. New item bow. Defender return. Yeah, so hello there, lol boy. Hello there, 10x developer. Good morning. And by the way, guys, thank you very much for joining on Kick very consistently. We are getting like between 3 and $4 every day there. So it's just by you guys watching. I appreciate that a lot.
Hi.
Let me pin the messages though. YouTube live. Pin that. Keine Schlägerei mit dem Kapselgar anfangen. No. That would be stupid, right? Copy. /pin.
Hello.
Yeah, guys, I'm a little bit exhausted. And also, I don't really want to make the trailer because I've done like 2 or 3 trailers already and they were all bad. And I'm pretty sure this trailer is gonna turn out bad as well, unfortunately. But yeah, gotta do what we gotta do, right? So, how do we make a good trailer and it is only 30 seconds long? Yo, new follower. Hey, Iffy, my man. Thank you for joining on Kick. Appreciate it. Omar on YouTube, good morning. So yeah, I've got some Coca-Cola. Let's see. Let's first study some competitors. I did.
Uh-oh.
I mean, we can look
What
at
happened to
Gnomes
Penis?
again. This is the Gnomes official trailer. We can look at that here. It starts like this. It's very fast. And it's a minute long too. I think it's a bit too fast in my opinion, but it shows what the game is about. So we could look like he zooms out and then his stationary thing zooms out again. Stationary, zoom to the right. Basically shift to the right. Stationary, zoom to the right. He really likes zooming in. Yeah. We could also look about a game about feeding a black hole. Why did that not show up? Steam? Let's look at that. That's not the same though, but let's see. Zooms in a bit, zooms out a bit, zooms in, zooms out, zooms in, stationary, 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 stationary. I think zooms in. And that's it. Yeah. So a very simple trailer too, and much faster as well. I just don't like making a trailer, guys, but we gotta get it done somehow. Let's see, which mission do we start with? The traditional mission here, I would say. Because I can put a unit here. Well, I could show that, right? I could start with Tangy lifting. Like, making it so that she lifts one. How about we start with that, right? Let's say we start with that. Yeah, how about we start with that? Because that's a cool thing from the game. That's pretty unique having a main character. Yeah. How much do you work on your game off stream? Lately, not much at all, because I'm trying to... Like, the game is now in review. There's still some stuff I need to code, but I'm trying to calm down a little bit. I'm way overworked. But usually I work... It's difficult to say, because I don't like talking in like it's... That's what I do. Because there's always periods in life where you do one thing more and then you do one thing less, but another thing more. So if you ask me, the last half year, I have been working on my game off stream all the time. Any time I had, I'd be working on my game. I wouldn't even be playing any computer games, nothing. I'd just be working on the game. So how much did I work on my game off stream? A lot. I made a lot of progress. But now it's shifting to just taking a break from it a bit. I was doing pixel art a lot as well, yeah. Because I'm getting like it's a burnout happening too. Shouldn't you do playtest before submitting it to Steam review? But I did do a playtest myself. I'll do a playtest to make sure the quality is there before release. But yeah, immer locker bleiben. Yeah, I'm trying. Take a day or two off. Are you going to post how well it did on Steam after? Yeah, I like seeing the stats. Yeah, no, I will. Yeah, I will. For sure. I think we can start with that, right? How's Zoe holding up? Better, but she's somewhat sick. She is like coughing, right? Ah, guys, I'm exhausted, I'm telling you. Like, I had a fucking issue on work today and it didn't resolve very well. Like, I did not manage to resolve it. It's a bit... pissed me a bit off, but okay. It's fine. We'll get it done later. Hey, doing good morning. Good morning, Dapsy. Hope you're doing good. Sigma male, your face reminds me of Thomas Shelby. Sigma male. What is a Sigma male, guys? Is that like a beta male or something? What does Sigma mean? Wishlisted. I'ma try your demo today and post a shot on it. Hey, I'm glad you like it. The game that is on Steam right now, though, is not the latest version. It's a very old version. Very, very old version. If you want to try the latest version, I would wait a couple of days. First time seeing this, and I have to say it looks awesome, man. I'm glad you like it, bro. We are making a trailer today, but I'm fucking exhausted, chat. I don't want to make a trailer. But we'll have to, so stop recording. So basically, I'm streaming here. Okay. Stop recording. Not stop streaming, but stopping the recording. Turning off chat. Chat. Where's chat? Chat. Turning off chat. Turning off the camera. And now we're going to record this portion right here. So I'm gonna click. No, not click. I'm going to have this open. Or do I have this not? Wait, do I have this open or not? Let me do control. And a fucking retard made a random clip. Thank you guys, asshole. Basically, I'm going to... Oh, shit. I'm going to start here. Going to start here, and then I'm gonna do this. Oh, shit. Whoops. Oh, shit. Whoopsie. That was not supposed to happen. Sorry, guys. Do that again. Sorry about that. We'll do this step by step, very slow today. Very, very slow. So basically, we're starting off here. Good. Ah, I got an idea. Let's restart. Ah, shit. Sorry. Fuck, man. I keep pressing the wrong button. Sorry. That was not supposed to... I was not supposed to click... Guys, you know, the reason why I'm making so many mistakes is because I feel the pressure of making a good trailer. And I feel like I can't deliver that on that promise. That's why I'm making so many mistakes. Because, like, it's more a mental thing. Okay. Fine. One more time. Okay. Pause. Oh my God. I fucking clicked. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording and do it one more time. I'm losing my mind. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, starting recording. This is the recording, okay? Beginning. Batch. One more time. He does 200 fucking... He does two... Is it true damage what you're doing? 270 damage. Fine, whatever. Let's start slow like that. So this is basically showing that, okay. And I'm going to stop the recording here and see how it looks. And then we make it, or do we make another recording? Is the voice being recorded? Yeah, but it doesn't matter because I'm splitting the audio into many different things, so that will be gone. Hello, Cakez A2K7. Hope you're doing good. Good morning. Cakez, have you cleaned up which files are part of the build, or is it still a bit of a mess? It is still a bit of a mess. But I still have enough time to clean this up. What about the music? The music will be overlaid. I can't record with music because the music needs to be on a separate track in the recording. Okay, what do I show next? So I just showed, and let's write down what I showed, right? So this is currently what I'm doing. So the trailer, right? Basically what I just did was Tangy, lifting Tangy, and tossing him on the road. And then opening up a shop and buying an item with a skill. Showing the usage of that skill. But the problem is that he has too many skill points in the skill tree right now. And he's basically overpowered. Meaning, I like this. This is showing a lot of mechanics from the game. Basically, I start right with action, right? I start with... I can lift units. I can buy items in a shop. And the items have skills. So there's like 3 mechanics. And if I am doing it correctly, then I can show this in the first 3 seconds. I mean, opening up a shop is like clicking here. Right. So I feel like I need to do it again. But I need to reset all of the skill points and just give him just a bit. Otherwise, he's too strong. And then I want to re-roll. I really liked what I had there as items, but maybe I get some better items. Let's see. Ah, here, the poison bottle, but I would love it to be here. Yeah, this is gonna be a bit annoying, guys, I know, but yeah. Let's just continue until we have... I really like the poison bottle. I want to show that. Yeah. Oh my god, all green items. That's bad. I want to show different rarities, and it shows all of the... I never once had all green items. Of course it's a lot to show, but that's what you gotta do, man. Guys, it'll take a while, okay? It will take a while. I'm sorry, but hey, it is how it is. We'll get the poison bottle any day now. In one of the middle rows. Or I'm gonna hard code it soon. Hello, Happy Rosrot. How you doing, bruh? Guys, I'm just scared to make a bad trailer. I'm be honest with you, you know. See, this is the last trailer I do. And so much depends on it. There we go. Nice. Okay, save that. Okay, good. we're going to make another recording. But we'll keep the same recording. Okay, do it again, guys. Let's start. Bad. The reason why it's bad is because my mouse movement was bad. I need to move the mouse down slowly. Let's do it again. It's so choppy, man. My mouse movement sucks. I'm scared. One more time. Okay, good. Now we make a cut. This is where we make a cut. Okay. I can show that too. Okay, I feel like we got a decent start here. Make sure to add a lot of crazy zooms and screen shakes and explosions. That needs fixing. No reloading for best items. Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter because it's just one item. Slow down the speed of the mouse so it's more smooth. I think you do precision or whatever that's called. Pointer precision or something. How long have you worked on the game? 2 years. My god. 4 years. 2 years on the game and 2 years on the engine. Okay, guys, how did I do? On a scale of 1 to 10, that beginning part. Shall we open up DaVinci and start editing? At least the first 5 seconds. And see if... So, like, you guys are saying I should start very fast, right? But look how they start. They start with this, this, this. That is not, like, crazy action. In the first 3 seconds. That is slowly building up. And here too, watch. It slowly zooms out. Shows a bit more. Shows the skill tree. 5 seconds. So, I feel like I'm doing okay in the first 5 seconds. Let's make an untitled project. Or... yeah, we make Steam Trailer Tangy TD. How about we do the Steam Trailer Tangy TD? And I can open up the cam again, guys. The Botrix chat and cam. Media offline. Text plus. Oh, these are capsule things. Okay. Depends on the music too. Yeah, no, the music will be something else. Let's see. So what do we have here? Unique builds. Timeline 2. That is the old trailer. Yeah, that was the old trailer. Good. Let's make the new trailer. Where do we make the new trailer? Let's just make a new timeline. All right, let's begin. I'm going to stop the first part of the recording and then I'll just make a new recording. It's fine. Make sure you show the sexy orange as much as possible. Congrats, Cakez, and good luck with release. Thank you. What's wrong with the old trailer? Out of date and doesn't really show what the game is about. And so it doesn't really show. Start zoomed in. That's what we do. Buy item with a skill. It doesn't show that at all. It doesn't show that items can have skills. it doesn't really show that items change, or that items, yeah, basically that doesn't show that. That's the number one thing in the game right at the moment. It doesn't show Tangy, and so basically the healer, it doesn't really show that I have a healer. So that's what I want to do. With a big AoE here, we'll do that, and then Ranger will be shown later. I don't have bleed pops. Swoosh up or down, show split arrow bow, zoom out, show full map with a lot of enemies. All right, so basically, let's just build the trailer up slowly but surely, and add in some zooms or not. And yeah, let's begin. Where are my recordings? Guys, I'm scared. I gotta be honest. I'm freaking scared. Where was I? 2026 in English. Here we go. Tangy TD. Let's do part 1. Let's joink that from here to here. Do Tangy TD trailer 2026. Alright, I'm gonna save all of the recordings here into this folder, and then we're going to be part 1. Let's start with part 1. So basically what I wanted to show you guys is that I have multiple audio lanes, and I can, so for example, my voice is here somewhere. Oh, we don't hear anything. Batch one time. Okay, so this is something that for some reason happens lately, where I make a new timeline and the audio is all fucked up. Like, look. Like, it records at twice the speed or something. I don't know what it is. What is this shit? I don't know why. My mind. I clicked the wrong thing. Hey, why is the audio so fucked up? Oh my god. Like, it's only on new timelines. And so if I put it here on the old timeline, watch this. It's fine. My mind. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, so I'm starting recording. This is the recording, okay? Huh? Begin. Batch one more time.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Why is it 4 times faster? I just do not understand.
Fuck Cakez.
Is it here wrong here too? I'm just tired. Hey, they got down. They got down. Nice. I should not do that. Huh? What is wrong? Okay, so this is destroyed. This gotta be destroyed. Quit DaVinci Resolve. Quit that. So this project seems to be broken. Let's open up DaVinci again. I don't know what it is. Media audio cage. Yeah, maybe. Why every time I join you have to be so angry? Cause I'm not happy. Okay, that's the honest answer. I'm stressed out. Okay, I'm not happy. Untitled project. Now. Work. Shit. What did I do? In my mind. Yes, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, stop the starting. Gone. 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 That's the only audio lane I need. Okay. Okay, so that's where we start. Basically, Can you, like, not tick all the time? It's really annoying. How about you shut up for a second? That's why Adobe Premiere Pro is better. No, that project was just broken. So, was the... There we go. Good. And then here I'm gonna do a cut until enemies are coming. Oh, that was the wrong recording, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Okay. So basically I was looking at the wrong recording. We're okay. So it was this recording that I want. Okay, do that. Yeah, this is gonna be fine-tuning today, and we'll obviously be starting zoomed in, right? That's how we start. Even if your game doesn't do well, I hope it does. After this project, you will definitely get a bunch of offers from game developing studios. I don't know about that, to be honest. Any fuck cakes enjoyers? Watch the play speed, the clock is going faster too. Alright. Yeah, for some reason the play speed on that thing is broken. Okay. How many seconds is that? Okay, so what I want to do is click here. Click here, and then on a frame where I go down, I make a cut, and then I cut down. Let's see if I can cut that part. Good. That's 5 seconds though. 5 seconds. Just the fact that you made a whole game by yourself is something really to be proud of. No, I am proud. The thing is though, and maybe you just don't maybe you just need to I don't want to say don't understand, but maybe you just need to experience it yourself. It's like I have built something, and now to get people interested in it is a picture and a trailer. And even if it's like the best thing ever, if the picture and the trailer do not deliver, then it doesn't really matter that much how good it is, because the picture and the trailer will not naturally bring people to play the game. So much depends on this tiny thing that it's just hard, that's all. Trying to cut it up. I'm trying to cut as much as possible. So I'm getting to... Should I cut? Wait, I can cut here. I'm mercilessly going to cut. Let's see how that fits. It's 2 seconds. We also need to get a good frame. How about we zoom in? Super proud you made a super cheap cookie cutter of thousands of the same tower defense lob sewer type games. Give yourself the German participation trophy. Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. Piss off. Just take your time. You already finished the hardest part. Thank you, thank you. I will. The good thing is, we only really need 30 to 40 seconds of quality content. So it's not like we need to build an hour of content or like 2 minutes. No, we just show the essence. The only thing is, all the time I'm really slow with what I do. So basically, I feel like I'm moving the mouse too slow. Like, I go here, I click on the guy, I lift him up, and then I feel like either like the mouse moves so fucking slow, like it takes almost an entire second just to click here. Right? Speed up. The problem is I can't really speed it up. Maybe I should. I don't know. But I feel like I want to show the actual gameplay speed. Just move the mouse as if you are playing the game. We all should be proud of our failures too. Kalmi, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that, bro. We all should be proud of our failures too. Should I re-record this, but make it a bit faster with the mouse movement? Why not cut to be faster? Nobody cares if there are cuts in the trailer. So basically, I lift him up here, and then I cut here. Oh, why not? I mean, it does go fast. Boom. Four seconds for this. Is that too much? Updating the page with a new trailer and GIFs, yeah. Jackie said that she's going to play my game. Awesome, awesome. I'm going to ask her when I know the release date. Yeah. I'm going to ask Jackie, Prime, Lana Lux, Kuviman, and of course others too. Maybe Dev Spudges. Maybe the Dev Dad, but I think he is busy. I'm going to ask. Yeah, let me write that on the list. Where are the here? The Dev Dad. Guys, and I don't know how you type the name, so I'll figure out the Dev Dad. Dev Spudges. let me see. Is the Dev Dad streaming? I could check his name real quick. Is the Dev Dad streaming? Can you load, please? No. Maybe Janet. Don't know. That's the good thing about being a streamer. Janet Akar. Janet Akar, double R. Maybe there. She too. Janet Akar. You build. Like people start. People know you. Togglebit? I feel like Togglebit hasn't been streaming in a while, has he? Did he take a break? TCap, Coffee Lava? Yeah, I mean those two. TCap 1. Nahan Codes. But she's not streaming, is she? Nahan Codes. Okay, let's go back to the trailer. Good, so we are looking at 4 minutes. I could squeeze it out to make it a tiny bit faster, but not too much. And then over here, we're going to cut to the part where he attacks. That'll be the first 5 seconds. That's already 8 seconds, man. Let's do 6 seconds. Okay, and then that's it. This is something for later, showing Tangy. I have an idea. I actually have an idea. This right here. I'm going to stop on this frame. Wait. Wait. Let's see you. I'm going to stop here. Freeze frame. So what do I do? And I don't know where I did that. I did that on one of, and let's do Tangy TD trailer 2026. It's basically a zoom in to show the Tangy TD logo. And the capsule art in the end. How many seconds is your trailer gonna be? I want my trailer to be 30 to 40 seconds at most. Good luck with the launch, Cakes. Thank you. Adam C. Yunus? Oh yeah, Adam C. Yunus. True. How do I type him? His name. I think he has an underscore, does he? Let me see. No, he doesn't have an underscore. He is consistently streaming. That's nice. Pirate Software? I don't think I'll get through to him. I didn't get through to him on the other email too, so there's no need to write him down. I mean, I'll write to the email, right? I have the email on the list, but I don't think he will play. Okay. Cakes, mute background music if playing and only use the in-game sounds. Yeah, no, I do that. Like, there is no sound here. There's no sounds. You could write Thomas Brush, maybe? Yeah, I guess. But we are currently looking at the trailer, guys, okay? We're doing the trailer. So that part right here. I would like to do zoom in. I would like to have the end done. I can't really do the end though. Let's see, do we have like an audio transition or something? Let's say here. And this is gonna be placeholder, right? Let's actually see the release trailer of some of the other ones here at the end. Okay, so they have a very simple available now on Steam. Gnomes, right? Rust and Dystopian. Should I do C++, guys? Should I be like, hey, C++? And what is dystopian? Is that the publisher? So, C++ made by Cakez. Hey, they put Rust there too. Don't you look like a cultist? Yeah, this game is made in Rust. What do these guys do? They just zoom in, as far as I know. They zoom in slowly here and then at the end. How did they do that transition? It's a circle with a background, I guess. Which makes sense. I think I could just do... I'm not putting Rust. I would do C++, guys. Not Rust. Okay. Cakez, we will make you popular. Oh, I see. That's another kick guy. Let's... This time, they did not get auto-deleted. Let me ban this guy. They always have the same profile picture. Interesting. This is not a school project, boy. He has put his soul into it. I believe he doesn't care for some video game studio job. Why would players care about C++? It's at the end. Make a higher res drawing of Tangy. Make her look at the camera, then some zoom out. So Tangy throwing a tower somewhere as an intro. I cannot do a higher res drawing, and I don't have the capsule art yet, so I have to start with gameplay. I feel like I need to start with gameplay, mate. I suppose I know what you mean, but I think I should start with in-game footage in here. Yeah, I need to do placeholder, guys. So let's just do text plus. Text plus. 10 GTD. Then I suppose I'll just make a zoom in here. Video transitions between those two. Okay, can I do the preview scrub? Color dip. Color dip could be it. Smooth cut. It doesn't really matter what thing you do here. It could be a hexagon. That could be cool, right? Pentagon. It's not a pentagon, a hexagon would be cool. I guess we don't have that though. Star. Why not a Tangy shape? Because I don't have that here. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's terrible. That's bad. That's not bad. I think I want to do this. I like the crash zoom a lot. Let's see how fast this is. Yeah, why not? And then this would be the end, right? Tangy TD. With, what do they say here? Available now on Steam. And that would be, I guess, a second text. Oh no, shit. This is Tangy TD, and then this one says available now. And obviously they are right now, they are. No. This will be the big one. I'll just steal what Gnomes did, because they have been very successful. This will be the title once it's done, and then available now on Steam. Now we just need to get that Steam image. Where did they get that from? Let's find Steam. No, not SteamDB, just Steam. Cakez gave me a huge feedback video by pinpointing. Huh? Just look for Steam, man! In Google! Thank you! This but inverted. Here. Does that work? No? Oh shit. I have like a script that allows me to paste. Shift X. Oh, it does work. But it's a black image. Why? Shift X. Do it again. Here it is. There you go, guys. And then we just crop it so that it looks like it works. Look at that, guys. Tangy TD, and then available now on Steam. Ah, shit, I need to exchange those two. Fuck. Okay, wait a minute. Fuck, I hate it. Could even make that a bit shorter. How about that? Don't need that. Fuck. So we start with this, right? And then we'll do available now on Steam. Let's see. I think for them it's a bit smaller and for me it's a bit big. So how about we make that text a tiny bit smaller? Transform. Yeah, we're working on a new trailer. And I take stuff from people that have been doing very well, much better than me, and I basically do what they do. Do you have a pixel art? Yeah, but it doesn't matter because the logo will be redone and then I'm just going to remove this part here. It's fine. Hey folks, I'm learning C++. Do you recommend Railip or STL? Try both, they're both good. And then make a decision what you like more. They're both okay. You need to build your own opinion. Like, there are upsides and downsides for both. Railip has a web build, by the way, which is good. Font is not good. Font, you can change that. My code buddy said they're sympathetic to you. So like, Mr. Milde, I wanted to talk to you anyways, right? Can you send me some of the sprites the guy made for you? Because in the trailer, they look very blurry. Okay, like some of the... Not the trailer, like the video, right? Can you send me some sprites? Just so I can see Like, because they look so blurry, and I just want to make sure that you don't get scammed. That's all. I'm not saying someone is scamming you. I'm just saying they look insanely blurry, and it's like, what the hell? Like, look. Like, not a single recording of mine is blurry. But maybe, yeah. Can drop you some, okay. How was your week so far, Cakez? Okay. It was okay. I'm a bit stressed out. 6 fucking seconds, man. Just to show this. I mean, but it's so many different mechanics, don't I? Should I record the mouse or not? Do they have the mouse recorded? They don't. Oh, there is a little bit. It shows... For them it's much better. They just show the gameplay without the mouse. Oftentimes. They don't show much mouse. What do I prefer? I have not tried SDL enough to give you a proper opinion. They show mouse in player interaction, but not the game runs. But if the game runs on its own, Cakez. But not if the game runs on its own. Don't show mouse. How long did it take you to make this game? 4 years. 2 years on the engine and 2 years on the game. My buddy's not good at encoding videos. I mean, if you're using DaVinci Resolve, I can show you what I do to encode decent videos. It's not been 4 years for 3 years now. You're wrong. The full game is somewhat completed, yeah. I need to flesh out the last mission, but for the most part, it's done. Okay, so my mouse movements look very bad. But yeah, here is what I do. When I click on this. This is my export. This part right here. If you want to take a look. And the important part is this here. To get the better encoder on YouTube. 2K. Instead of 1080p. This is audio. Maybe no mouse to make it more cinematic. Let's create a zoom in first. A zoom level that I like. What do we do this? We make a compound clip. Intro. And then we do a zoom level here. And then we'll animate that. We have quite a bit of space. The problem is it's not centered, right? Because it's very far to the left. Which kind of sucks. It would be better if it's more centered. So, like, if someone sees this, the action is all happening to the left, not in the middle. If I look at the beginning of the trailer from Gnomes, it is... I think it's... Go take screenshot? Click or drag on the page to select the region. Copy. Compare. Yeah, that's like dead center, isn't it? So, for me, it's all starting to the left here. Guys, I need to show at least the loop of putting an item on a Tangy and then the Tangy using the skill of the item. That needs to be done in the same map, otherwise the player gets confused. Like, I need to show this loop here. But it's a bit, maybe it's a bit too slow. So I'm just gonna redo that. I'm just gonna redo this part. Because it's slow. I'm gonna turn off chat and camera. I'm gonna start recording. I just can't. One more time.
Shut up!
Give me a second. Just speed up the video in the editor. Stop doing path indicators, you idiots. Okay, I'm just gonna have to keep redoing it. Hide mouse, just wait. I need to show the mouse. I'll try this. Guys, to let you know, every single stream is recorded. Every single stream is recorded. And when I'm done with the game, for the last 6 months, I will go through the recordings to see if I cannot upload something to YouTube. Yep. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of work. Okay. Guys, this is really important to me, so I will do intro again. This is outro. Part number 1 times 2. Too long? Put it here. It's fine. All right. Get rid of this and this. Try that again. So. Sorry. Yeah, these are just the streams, I know. Yeah. How much time took you to make this game? Man, I get this question a lot. 4 years. 2 years on the game and 2 years on the engine. I get this question a lot, man. That's crazy. Every day. But yeah, 4 years. The problem is they are all pretty much to the left, the trees. Apart from here. So this map is the best to start it on. Let's try that again. Okay, so the initial part here was 6 seconds and 40 milliseconds or 400 milliseconds. Let's try to improve that. All right. So I don't like when the mouse teleports. But I guess we have to. Three seconds to show this stuff. Shit. And I have to record it again because I didn't... I didn't record them attacking. You can smooth out the groove movement in graph view. Record without a mouse cursor and overlay one in DaVinci. Shit. So basically I'm missing... Maybe I'm just too stressed out for this. I don't know. But let's copy that part. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I mean, show the other timeline. Huh? Bruh. Here. Now he moves. You see this? That's the problem. He moves. Man, I'm fucking... I'm gonna lose my mind today. CapCut? No, I like DaVinci. Like, DaVinci is fine. My problem is not with DaVinci. My problem is that I'm fucking retarded! I'm gonna record one more time, guys. You ready? Clips are paused, man. Did I really speed up? Okay, stop. Good. I think that's good enough. Where's the recording? Stop recording. Recordings. Okay. Sorry, guys. I just think that it's not good enough, and it's making me sad. I'm sorry, guys. Let's get rid of part 2. It's good. Part 1, number 2. Shit, I renamed it the same way. I named it the same way. And if I load it in here now, then the media does not understand it. Understand itself. So I kind of have to close this. Streamer, so beautiful. Oh man, super cool. Thank you. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just a bit sad, you know, that's all. Because I think it won't be good enough. It's hard, man. God damn it. I selected box. What is this? Going to start here and then. Okay. Try that again. This is annoying. No. Huh? That's the old one. That's the old recording. That's why you don't name it the same way. Part 1, fuck you. God, that's why you don't name it the same way. Otherwise, DaVinci Resolve is too stupid to understand it. God damn it. Sorry. DaVinci Resolve uses the file name to identify it and then store it somehow. And then it keeps like a temporary file somewhere. But that's not the recording! That is not the correct recording! Huh? I'm gonna lose my mind. Huh? Did I not record something? What happened? I recorded something! Nani? Where is it? Now the errors start to mount. Now I'm starting to make mistakes. Great. Fine, we'll do one more recording. God, I hate making trailers. I hate it because I'm fucking stupid and shit and bad. Fuck it. Okay, sorry. We're gonna be good now. We're going to be okay now. No. Not good enough. No, the mouse movement was bad. The mouse is not on the... My God. One more time. Just put the mouse away. Also, why is this thing doing true damage? Why is it doing true damage? Convert damage to poison. If anything, it should be doing poison damage. The impact. Should not be doing true damage. Sorry, guys. One more time. So we start out here. Fuck. No. No. No! Oh, I hate mouse movement! I hate mouse movement! I hate it! Ah! I hate that shit! I can't believe this, man. How do people do it? How do they do that? Add mouse movement after, you dummy? Okay, how do I make the recording not capture the mouse, guys? It's gotta be the screen, right? Capture cursor. Okay. Now it's not capturing the cursor, guys. Can you see it? Save. Okay. Okay, maybe they do it this way. Sorry about that, guys. I'm so sorry. I apologize. It makes me mad. Because I feel... I don't like it when people look at my mouse movements, okay? Oh man, the stress. JK on kick, hello there, my man. Oh. Guys, I'm already exhausted. So fucking exhausted. I just can't anymore. Oh my god, where's the recording from now? Right, that was the other recording, I guess. Fine. Mouse shy. Yeah, I'm mouse shy, guys. Part 1 number. Part 1 _ 2. Good. Sorry, guys. Okay. All right, so I think I had it at the end, right? And I fucking forgot to record the last part. Of course I forgot to record the part where they attack. Oh my god. I'm losing my mind today. Recording. And again, the problem is, guys, I will, for the trailer, I might just move the curve further to the left so I can have a center. I can have the attention be in the center and not the right. The attention right now is on the right and I can't zoom in the image enough. Here, I'll show you what I mean. If I go here and I do zoom and then I change the point, it's all to the left. It should be here. The attention should be shifted to the right. I need to change that. Just for the trailer. Just gonna put in some foliage to make that image feel a little bit better. Gonna put in some rats nest too. Wait, shadow should be there though. Shadow on this? Yeah, shadow on this looks very nice. Let me edit this a bit, guys, okay? Because I want this to look good. I clicked the transparent checkbox, man. Okay. I think I'm happy with this. Somewhat. Will you stream today, sir? Me? Oh no, you're replying to the other guy. This editor is fire. You like it? That's great to hear. Okay. Now I think I can put the attention in the center, more in the center. Maybe I need to put it... Edit tiles. Let me see. Need to go here. Get rid of at least that part. I'll decorate this a tiny bit, okay? Not too much, guys. Not too much. Okay. What the fuck is he doing? I'm doing your mommy. Changing this so that in the trailer it is more centered. We just have a problem though. The items. You know what? Hey, where do I add? Where's the add function? Ah. Huh? Huh? What? Where is the shop inventory? Huh? Ah, maybe here. I'm gonna cheat real quick, okay? So, item, burning arrow. Why is this complaining now? Huh? It's not a constant expression. Okay, how about this? 5, 6, okay. Now, we have item, burning arrow, item, sapphire necklace, item, poison bottle, item, rapier, item, bow. Shop item, dot item ID is WIS on I dot item ID. There you go. Now when I reroll the shop, it'll be perfectly set to what I want. Watch. Good. Save. Number 1. That was number 1. Next. When I place this guy, I place him here. And then we save. And I can literally just get rid of this recording because that was... So restart. So this could go away. Good. Now, I'm not going to capture my cursor for this recording. We're going to add the cursor in for the trailer later. Okay. Good, because I'm too stupid with mouse movement. Okay, guys, like my mouse movement is erratic. So, we have set up everything. And I can always go back to the beginning point. Let's start recording. So. Okay, only the first mouse path should you know, follow the path, so it's fine. The grab animation is too long. I'm going to cut it for the trailer. Man, I'm stressed out like crazy. Because the first 5 seconds of the trailer are very important. And I just want to get... The rats are off-roading because of this. The paths are not aligning. But I only need to show the very beginning. Yeah, I just said the rats are outside the track because I changed the first path, but there are other paths that are overlaying. So if I want them to follow this path, I would have to like do this. And then they follow the path again. And then there's one more path here somewhere. I think it's the flyer path, yeah, that I'm not using. So now they follow. They will all follow this path, see? I think it's fine. But that's not in the trailer, guys. So it's fine. Alright, let's get that part. Sorry about this, guys, but this will take a while. This will take a lot of fine-tuning. It is how it is. I'm very stressed out about this. I make many mistakes. And now you guys see, this is basically how my very first beginning on YouTube start looked like. That's exactly the way it was. I would do a recording, wasn't good enough. I'd do it again. I'd do a recording, wasn't good enough, do it again. Do a recording, wasn't good enough, do it again. I did that like 10 times. It's so annoying. Until I started making it better and better, and then I had fun. But in the beginning, I just... Man. And it repeats itself with the trailer, because I just want it to be perfect. Which, maybe you can't make it perfect. What do you, if you start off with map variation to get the attention? But I'm getting the attention by showing that I can lift off tangies and I can put them on the road. That's like one of the key features of my game. That's how I'm getting the attention. I'm showing them a feature of the game that is central to the game. And I'll show map variation, but at the end, because every single tower defense game has map variation. But I have something different. All right, so this is it. Was it this one or the last one? Was it? I think it can go until here. Then we start out. Yeah. Now we do cuts. And we'll overlay the mouse on top. Alright, let's start. So, first and foremost, let's see if we can zoom in properly this time. And center around the action. Yeah! Look at that, guys! We can actually do... We can center the action. Perfect. That's exactly why I did this. Because otherwise it's just, it's off center. Looks so bad, right? Like this is off center. All right, so. Need to zoom out a bit more though. There we go. Okay. Now. I will do some other zooms later, but first we do this. How's the trailer, man? We are still working on the first 5 seconds, which are the most important in any trailer. And I've been struggling a bit. We are already an hour and 30 minutes into the stream. An hour and 30 minutes into the stream. Holy moly. Is the carrying really essential? Do you need it to win? Only forgiveness bad placement. There are bosses where I used that mechanic to beat the bosses because I couldn't beat them straight out. And so I would reposition units. And also, yes, to fix mistakes. And also because it's a feature that usually you don't have in tower defense games. I will do a sales info video. Yes, I will. And I will also, like, you know, I can show my wish lists. I'm already showing my wish lists all the time. And I will probably do a wish list video too. If I manage to get good wish lists soon. But for now, I mean, I'm getting good wish lists at the moment, but like really good wish lists. Getting to 7K, if that's possible. Interesting. Clicked on the wrong thing. So, for example, right now, we are looking at... I should probably do one more. Like, we are looking at 3,195 wish lists. And if you guys would like to support me, those that are new here, I can give you a link to wishlist the game for. From. Here it is. For those of you on YouTube as well. Here you go. There's the wishlist link. Yo, mate, I would see an RPG game with these assets. Yeah, you could probably do that. Can I play on iGPU, man? What is iGPU? All right, so let's make the trailer. That's too long. Good. That's a bit slow, but we'll see. Wait. She does that. That is too fucking slow. That is 6 seconds. Huh? How is it so slow when that was much less? I'm standing too long. I think that's the issue. Let's see. Yeah, I'm standing for like an eternity. It needs to be one motion. Maybe even too slow here. Needs to be faster. Yeah. Two seconds. Good. And then we cut to the action. Still the same amount of time. It's still the same amount of time. But I could speed up at least that part here. I could take this. Okay. I'd already showed a different level, but the point, like, you don't get the point, Nettle. The point of the game is that the item gives the skill. Why would I show a different level here if I haven't even shown what the item does? Like, I feel like that's totally... Now the player is confused. Farmer, you don't understand it either, right? I don't know. Yeah, guys, but... Guys, look. Look, let's compare this. Let's look at Gnomes. Gnomes zooms in on the house. Places down houses after 1 second. Places down sunflowers, 2 seconds. And a gnome. Moving another gnome. It's a bit faster. But still the same map. Here's a different map at 6 seconds. And it happens at 5 seconds. And it's all sped up. I'm not saying he's wrong. I'm saying what I'm doing. Look, guys. Look. Let me do that. Compound clip. Create. Let's do 120%. Now we are looking at 540. Can't really tell the difference. There we go. And then we open this up in a timeline. And here. Is it speed up? No, now by 20%. I'll put across the solve here. And maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. So we're looking at... In the timeline, we are looking at a 5... Wait. Wait. Shit. Shouldn't it update the compound clip? Okay, so here it's gone. This is the last frame. So we are looking at 5 seconds to show the mechanic of picking up a unit, placing it somewhere else, buying an item, putting it on the unit, and the unit using the ability of the item. That is so many gameplay mechanics in the first couple of seconds. I don't think I can make this any better. And now the idea is the following. Watch. I want to zoom in and change the anchor point. So basically, I want to make a thing here where it zooms. And then go back. And so here the anchor point shifts down a bit to the tree. And it zooms out a tiny bit. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, wait. Ah, man, I'm not doing it correctly. Oh, this is bad. Maybe not do that. And now it's still too far to the left. This fucking sucks. How do I make this properly? It's so far. Maybe the issue is that it's too far away from each other vertically. And maybe it would be better if the tree was here. you should give to a video editor. I don't have money. Maybe I should put the tree here in the frame. Make the road go to the tree. Ignore the bottom part. Fucking hate that shit. Or I do it here in the bottom part. Do I have enough space? I think the bottom part could work too. Looks nice. We could do the entire thing here at the bottom. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe we do everything here at the bottom. Let's see. If the center is here, and I just remove, let's say, that tree. And I could potentially also make that a bit larger. Let's test that. I'll test this. I'll do one more recording, guys. My mouse is still not recording. Okay. All right, so let's try that. You should make a curse man. You're good with the development of games, Cakez. Only if I can sell a game, mate. All right, let's try. No. I'm not using Godot. No. Okay. I think that frame works much better. And we're going to get rid of this again. I'll keep that for now. It's fine. But yeah. One more test, guys. Number 3. I'll keep number 2 for now, but I think number 3 it is. I think I like number 3, guys. In fact, it will be number 3. I can feel it. All right, let's begin. First, let's do a zoom level. I want to zoom in with an anchor point so that we could see the entire frame properly in the middle. I should probably not have shown the UI here. Fuck! God damn it! This is perfect, this frame. Fine, we'll do it like this. Let's begin. Shit, the item is not in there. Ah, the item is too large. The description for the item is too large, man. Fuck. God damn it. I'll fix it in a second though. Okay. Now, the description of the item is not showing up. So I can't really zoom in too much. I can only show, I need to show like this part right here. That means I also need to go a bit further to the left. Or I just start zooming out until I get to the item. So this is when I should be at full... This is where I should be at full zoom. At this zoom. And to be honest, I will... It's 1.5. And I want to reset the zoom level for all of these. And the anchor point. I'll do that again. Wait, what was the anchor point? Yeah, I'm just going to reset. I'll do it again. It's fine. We'll create a compound clip. Intro. We'll set it to 120% speed so that we save a little bit of time. 4 seconds, guys. I'm showing so much in 4 seconds now. Yeah. 1.5. To the left. Show where the item is. Down. To center the frame. I would really want to know a grid. Really want to do a grid. I can't go further. That's as far as it goes. There's so much empty space here. Alright, so here is where I put the zoom level. And then I just start zooming. I go here. And then I do another one here. So basically, in this zoom level... Why is the anchor point here? That's bad. Alright, wait. Control Z. Then I need to change the anchor point. Fuck. God damn it. Okay. This is gonna be annoying, guys. This is going to be annoying. Not gonna lie. It's a game about suiciding your archers on the enemy path. Yeah, that's also bad, I know. Don't, man. It's been 2 hours and I have nothing to show for. God damn it, you're right as well, though. Guys, I give up. I give up. Nah. I think I'm just gonna turn it off today. I just can't do it. I'm just not making it good. 2 hours in trailer dev is nothing. Yeah, but I'm tossing an orange that is supposed to be ranged on the path. Which is kind of wrong. Doesn't matter, they haven't played the game. Doesn't matter, you guys say? I don't know. Just give up, your game fails anyways? Fuck off. Then don't do it. It's like those ads, they purposely play bad. Should give up now, not everyone watching will give up. The player's like, I could do better. Throw defender then. Watch some trailers, chill and do again. Yeah, but I felt like be at a couple of seconds by the time we hit like the 2-hour mark. YouTube chat is unhinged. Maybe we can help Cakez. It does matter. You don't throw an archer there, lol. Makes no sense. What's wrong? Just take a rest, man. Try again. Maybe think about the rest of the trailer for a bit. I already did. I've planned it out here. I just don't want to move on until I have one thing set up. You have edited. Yeah, I know, but I want it to be correct. I want it to be good. No, the first 5 seconds is the most important, farmer, man. People click off at 5 at most. Most people click off at 5. Or they skim through the trailer. Like they click, they watch a bit, they click here, they click here. And then they go down. So So yeah, I've planned out the trailer, but the reason why I like the poison bottle is because it shows an actual ability. And for him, for a defender, toggle item list. Like, what type of weapons does he have? He has this weapon right here. The lighting sword. Every 6th attack expels a bolt of lighting. The problem is... it has so many stats. And therefore, it's even a much bigger description than the poison bottle. Meaning it'll be much bigger. And then, in terms of other items for the defender to putting him on the road, I don't have, other than this, the windbane that does a projectile, that makes a projectile fly. This is, yeah, this could work. Yeah, you're a person that skips through the trailer, yeah. People see the ability. I know. Yo, my man, Bachware Games, thank you very much for becoming a member on YouTube. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Yeah, you watch trailers by doing random clicks, I know. I could also do this sword here. Converts all damage to fire. Every 3rd attack causes an explosion. Fire damage. But it's a small sword. Watch. But we could do that. I can put it here. Or here. That's possible. Okay, then I will place the archer. Guess I'll place it here, and then I'll place the defender here, and I'll start with her here, and I'll get rid of some of those. Of course, that's baked in. Wow, that actually looks nice. Wait a minute. It's just one part that makes me mad. Hi there, Mario. Have enemies already coming on the path, Cakez? As well, block them off. Good idea. Yeah, good idea. Good. I don't need that, so I can get rid of one line here. Pro tip, I've seen devs for trailers making their units 4 times stronger over overwhelmed screen with enemies, so it looks more awesome. Yeah, I can do that without faking it, actually. I'll show you. Alright, let's see. So, reload. I don't have the money, so I need to cheat some money. 690! But they won't see it. Guys, the shadow on the grass looks good. Do you see it? It gives off some 3D effect. It looks good, you're wrong. It looks good, you're lying and you're wrong. And no, you're wrong. Look at this guy. He's jelly, that's what he is. Freaking jelly belly. That's what this guy is. It looks good, my friend. Don't know what to tell you. But you are wrong, sir. Bum bum ba-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba, da-da-da-da-da-da. Looks good, yeah. Chat's a bully, yeah. Okay, last time. Okay, last trailer. Turning off camera. Oh, I knew this was gonna happen today, guys. I knew it was gonna be a doozy. Recording on. Have enemies coming on the path already. Okay, let's test. Wait. They should all be on the path, should they? Right. Okay. I'm gonna make the lift timer twice as fast because I'm behind here. Okay, we'll do the recording now. Shit. Sorry, guys. Move. Shit. No. Shh. Restart. It's wrong. It's wrong. I just don't have enough time to react. That's the problem. I don't have enough time to react, so we'll do it again. Why is rats on the grass? There's no engine, yeah. I don't have enough time. Why don't I save earlier, man? God, what's wrong with me? Right, now I can prepare. No. It's too early. I have to do it in one motion and I have to time it correctly. Holy shit. I need to not show health bars on Tangies because that looks bad. Now this is hard. Man, That's not easy, man. To time it correctly. I should not have moved away. And also, fuck. I have to... No. Fuck, how do I do this now? God damn it! Fuck! I set up so much here. Maybe I'll just keep the level how it is designed now. Maybe I'll just keep it this way. Maybe I'll just save it. Why not? I'll just save it the way it is. Okay, we'll keep it this way. Then we go to skill tree. I need to make it so that the guy can block a couple more enemies other than one. Otherwise, it kinda, this doesn't make any sense. C++ is used here, and libraries. Okay, one more time. I need to time it correctly. Okay. I think that makes sense. Now Tangy overlaps the orange. Yeah, I'll try it. I'll try one more time. Okay. The menu tooltip pops into the scene. Yeah, I know. I think that was good enough. I think that was nice. It's hard making a good trailer, guys. Holy cow. But okay. Man. But I just don't want to sit here. Listen. Listen, chat. Okay. Let me make it a bit more welcoming with the color. I don't want to be sitting here in 2 weeks, 3 weeks and blame myself for having a bad trailer, or I haven't done anything I could, and the game turns out to not give me as many sales as I would hope. And I don't want to go back retroactively and think about, well, what if I had done this or that? I just don't want to do that, because I've spent 4 years on this game, and I want to make sure that this is the best I can do, even if I have to redo it 5, 6, 7, 8, 100 times. Okay? It's tough. I hate it, but not impossible. So that is part 1, number 4, number 8 or something, right? Because we deleted some parts because they were trash. It's not 5 tries, it's like 10 tries already. I didn't take all of the tries, man. What you're talking about. This is like story of my life, man. Struggle! So this was decent, but yeah, I guess we call this, we rename this. Oh, I think it's clip attributes intro number 1. This one can go away now. Like, this intro is decent. Okay, well, how about we do clip attributes? And we call intro number 1. And over here, clip attributes intro number 2. And number 3 is gonna be the actual winner. I can feel it. I can feel that number 3 is the winner. Okay, so ready? Add screen shake when dropped. Let's see. I think that's it, right? We could try here. All right, begin. First, let's just get the timing right. It's fucking 8 seconds, guys, because I don't do any cuts. Why is my wife calling now, man? Fuck, I'm not done. God damn it. Okay. Sorry about that. I gotta do something. Times 4. Times 8. How fast is it? We are going to redo this, but that was nice. We're getting better. Too slow. Times 16. I need to make the only thing I need to do is make that fast. Yeah, times 20. You should include this part as a trailer. My neighbors at 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh, wow, that is good. Wow, that feels actually really good. Wow. Wow, that feels really good. Okay, guys. Let's do it. that basically I want to make the trailer much faster. And the only way to do that is to turn these two things off here and do it one more time. Yeah, it's fine. We'll have a couple of hiccups. The only thing I did wrong was not click the thing off, so we'll do it one more time. I'm overlaying. One more time. I did it a bit too late this time. Yeah, almost. I'll try one more time. Too late. Shit, I need to do it before she does the animation. Fuck. Okay, one more time. Fuck, I did it on the wrong hit. God damn it. She did the animation. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna stand here. One more time. Fuck, and I did the mouse movement wrong. Ah, I'm bad now. Shit, I'm fucking up. Good. Fuck, too slow. Ah. Shit. Great. Too far down. Oh, guys, I'm not doing it right. Fuck, man. Come on. Good. Good. I clicked! I clicked, man! You can't be serious! I clicked left click! God damn it! Ha! I think that's it. Stop recording. Okay. Holy shit. Oh, Gigantify emote. 30 posts. I appreciate it. I think it would be healthier if you didn't record this game intro. I need to do it though! How many tries was that? God. This time it is. It's this time, guys. Delete those. It's this one. This one is it. This one is it. Okay, that's part number 1. The 5th viable try. Copium. Yeah, no, the 5th viable try. Yes. This time for sure. Right? And it was the last one, the last part. Like all of it before was bad. I failed like a million times. Yeah, what's this? Here. Good. It's going to be this part of the trailer. Guys, the first 5 seconds are really important. Okay? Really important. That one's good too. I don't want to lose that. So part 4. All right, begin. So, essentially, we start out here. We do boom, boom, boom. There we go. That's 3 seconds already. Gotta be careful. Over here, we do click. Man, that was fast. Maybe I should not show this frame, guys. What do you think? Should I show this frame or not? Should I be like, cut here? And cut it away? So it's like... We're at looking at 6 seconds. Let's just play this. Fuck. I think that's enough to show. Like... It's even too much, like... Wait. Equip sword, sword slash, explosion in 1 second. You mean... I do like a transition here. I do... Like that. Like that. Hallo. Hm?
Nachher brauche ich Kopfhörer.
Ach so, wie viel Uhr?
7:30, aber auch.
Ach so, ja, da
aber
bin ich.
auch mit diesem kleinen Mikro da dran.
Ja, das hier. Ja, und ich muss meine mitbringen. Ich habe die immer bisher vergessen. Tut mir leid. 4 seconds. Hm? Could you zoom in just before the throw? Stefan, wieso bist du hier? Ach so, ihr fahrt nach Winterberg, stimmt. Compound Clip. Intro number 4. It's actually 5. That was viable enough. So intro number 5. Okay, so the idea is the following. Watch, guys. So basically, first we start with a zoom in that fits the theme, which is one. Actually, when is the... Oh, I'm not showing it right. I can zoom in much further now. Let's see. Guys, I'm not showing the tooltip of the weapon. I still have that though. I didn't do the... Okay, so wait. That way? And I'll do that. Okay. Here. So when I want the zoom. Let me think. It might just be easier to apply these things inside no, not here, inside the compound clip. So basically we open that in the timeline, we select all of these, and then we set the zoom to all of them like that. And then the, what was the anchor point? 653. And 306. There you go. It might just be easier to do that because then here I can work with a normal clip and I can just zoom in. What that means is the following. Here is when I want the zoom to be 1, and I start out with like this, and I start out like, I go in a bit, and then I keep it, and then here is the other, and I can see those points here, and I want to keep it in a way. I want to take that and put it here. And then basically zoom in just a tiny bit. So this is what I mean. Like we do... Oh, that's too fast. Shit. But I also needed to do the curve. So basically we curve every single one of those. We smooth them out. Then that looks much cooler. And now let's just play that back. This is too fast. Whoops. I want it to be... Oh, no, 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 no. But what is your issue, man? That's so hard. Let's play that. Nah, that's bad. Nah, that's bad. No, no, no. No, this sucks. Do it one more time. We're making a trailer, Nito. Yeah, I'm working on the trailer right now. It's a bit tedious and annoying, and I hate it, and it's not looking good. But yeah. Or I'll just do the other way around. Maybe that. Yeah, maybe that. What do you guys think? And then it seems to move back here, which is not what I want. Better. Put a screen check at the explosion. Good idea. I actually could code it, but I need to now do it with video editing. Which I have. Like, I have a favorites toolbox, and then there's a screen check somewhere. I think. Right. Don't I have like a screen check effect somewhere? No. I don't have a... Oh, I do. Here it is. It's too much though. Fuck, I would have to code it, guys. I have to code it. It's annoying. Can you hire a video editor for this? No money. I have to do it myself. It's fine, I'll do it myself. I'll get it done. It's just that, yeah, you guys are right. It should be a screen shake. Maybe this is also zoomed in a bit too much. Let's see. Generators, effects, adjustment clip. So where does the explosion happen? Here. Now I'm gonna put a screen shake on there. Camera shake. The problem is camera shake adds in, like, it does that. Let's do a donation goal? No. Guys, I probably have to code it in, which means we have to do this entire fucking thing again. Yeah, there's a voice in the background. But it's gone now, it's fine. Stop complaining, bitch. I'm just gonna do this shake screen. There we go. And then I just need to record it and it works too. That just means though we have to do another recording. My favorite part. One more time, guys. One more time. The same thing we've been doing 4 hours. 2.5 hours for nothing. Well, that's not true. We have the end. But the end is not important. The beginning is the most important. You guys ready? One more time, guys. Okay, I'm ready. Start recording. Wrong. Okay. One more time. Not bad. One more time. Nice. I like that. Wow, I've been practicing, guys. Good. Okay, number 6. Viable number 6. All right. Nice. Part 1, number 6. Hehehehehe. This one was 4 seconds long, by the way, which makes me very happy because I did a good job. I think I did a good job with the intro number 5. Let's try to do the same good job with the intro number 6, right? With the intro, like the beginning part, right? Just the first 5 seconds. Number 6. We want to do 30 seconds, guys. So we have managed to do, if that works, we have managed to do 5 seconds. In 2 hours and 40 minutes. You have earned skill points? Yeah, I have. It's like watching Sis first. Sis. Who is this guy? I need to Google that. Yeah. It's this right here, right? Yeah, it must. That's what it feels like to me too. I'm pushing up this boulder by like a centimeter or something. Well, I feel like we moved half a centimeter today. Okay, but we did good. Copy. Paste. No, paste, my friend. All right, let's see. So I think the last one was the best. Let's start with the last. I think I did like a ginormously good job there with the last one. Let's test with the last. Start moving. Cut out the part where it shows the sword. Shit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. 3 seconds. Guys, you can't say that this is bad now. That's gotta be the best. Right? 3 seconds. I don't even have to speed up. Watch. Eh? It's so bad you get banned. See you in 10 minutes, asshole. Thank you. And I'm gonna play that as well. Floxit, thank you very much for following. I play that because it makes me feel good when I hear the gun sound, right? This is not bad, guys. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, right? Also, I think I got a Gigantify emote. Santa 3? No.
Sturdy Post says,
Ho ho ho!
Cakez 7 Peak.
Ho ho ho!
Oh, God. Anyways, I think that was good. It might be too fast. Yes, but the Gnomes trailer is also really fast. Let's just watch it again. It kinda is a bit fast, I agree with you. But it shows exactly what you do. It shows that they are being blocked. I think it's fine. No, I think it's fine. I think that's good enough. And let's do the same zoom in part where we go to like the end. Here, we set a zoom thing. And we go to the beginning, we set a zoom thing, and we just zoom in. We zoom in. Yeah, we have to zoom in. We have to zoom in. Just a bit. Let's do 1.2. Might be too much still. And then we turn that into a curve. Make that. Actually, I want to do that twice. I want you to zoom. Yeah, I want that. Let's test. It's way too obvious, that curve, man. Makes me mad. This curve is so obvious. Like, do you know what subtlety means? I mean, it could also be the issue that this is just a bit high. And we're gonna remove that, but let's see, try that. Still too much. Okay. It needs to be subtle, guys. Still. Oh my god. Okay. Make it linear. Just make it linear. It's fine. We'll keep it linear. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Maybe now we can make that at just a tiny 1.1. Let's test the subtlety again. Guys, the reason why I'm spending so much time on this, understand it please, is this is the first 5 seconds. And it is really important. What we could do here, since this is only 3 seconds, we could make him swing one more time here. Right? So we could go into the copboard clip. No. We could edit this. And we could say, well, before we open the shop, let's just make him hit one more time. Why? And then the entire compound clip is 4 seconds to the second. They need a second to comprehend, yeah. Let's try that. Then we also have to move that point to the right here. I think that's good. You know what would be best, by the way? If I time that with the sword swing, right? You see, like the sword swing is cut here. Faster zoom changes? No. Though I kind of want to change maybe the anchor point of this a little bit up. Does that work? Zooms in here at the top. I think that's a bit better. Okay. First 4 seconds are done, guys. goodness. That was... I mean, at least we made progress, right? Let's see it that way. So we have this in the trailer right now. No cam... No, yeah, I do have a cam, but I'm also recording. And I forget to sometimes enable the cam. But yes, hello. Hello. Good morning. Yes, I am having the camera on today. Cakez Nice Gamer would let a kid play the game due to it being educational. How is my game educational? What? What is this guy saying? Lyric cam revere, what? So, what do we do? We have Tangy lifting other Tangies and tossing them on the road. We have that. We have opening up a shop and buying an item. Though without the mouse, right? Should I do this with or without the mouse, guys? Should I just remove the mouse from this? You think this works without the mouse? What do you guys think? Do you think I need to add the mouse? Or not? No need for mouse. But I'm not cutting you until the explosion is done. It's cleaner without mouse, don't add it. Okay. I have opening up the shop, buying an item with a skill, and I'm showing the usage of the skill. Good. Now, then we can get rid of this part here. How do we continue with the trailer after that? I feel like I want to show the skill tree. Or let's compare this, right? Because I do try, or like I'm trying to make somewhat of an incremental game. So if I take a look at the first 3 seconds of gnomes, they show the different mechanics. You see, like here, gnomes shows in the first 3 seconds, they show the mechanic of moving dwarves around. Yeah. And so in a game about feeding a black hole, the first couple of seconds are shown in here. And then at 4 seconds, it goes to the skill tree. Maybe I should show the skill tree now. I could show the skill tree now. How long is the trailer gonna be? 30 seconds. I don't want to make it much longer. Just get the idea across in 30 seconds. Show this. Show these nuts. Ha 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 ha. You guys are stupid. Does your game have controller support? No, not yet. I think we show the skill tree, yeah. Which means I need a function to set my skill points. Let's go to the skill tree. And this is where I'm recording my mouse to. It's gonna be hard. Because I need to know. Do I record this without the mouse? I think I could do it. I think this is fine. I'll do this in like 1 or 2 seconds. All right, you guys ready? Recording. Show with mouse. Yeah, I think I show with mouse. That was bad. One more time. No. Bad mouse movement. Bad mouse movement. Yeah, almost a bit better, but still not good. Do it slow, then make it faster later. Good idea. I feel like I should wait. Shit, I'm overshooting. Okay, let's try that. And I will not show that much, but just add it in a bit more. Okay. Good. Now this is part 2. Finally at part 2, guys. Nice. Happy. If your game is really big, always start slow and then speed up. I'm gonna unpause notifications for a second. I'm just gonna try again! True. 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 True.
The door is open. I should not.
This is not OpenGL, no. Okay, now we are getting to part 2. Need to move this out of the way a bit. Let's get that in. Why? Can you just move that in, please? Good. Though. I think the last one was the best. Yeah. This was the last part. So how much do we show and how many seconds do we do it for that, right? We are starting out at 4 seconds. Here's where we start zoomed in and we zoom out. Ouch. I feel like I want to do that. Hey, I'm not dead! What happened? I thought I died! Let's see how they do this here. The thing is, at the end of the clip, the mouse stays there. For me, the mouse freaking moves in the clip because I wanted to add more. Watch. But I think it's fine. So how much is that? 7 seconds. So we are looking at 3 seconds here. I could speed this up a tiny bit. That's fine. Copying even mouse movement. Yeah. Do you not understand that this is part? There's literally people that you pay for to do a gameplay trailer because they can do very good mouse movement clips. Mouse movement is very important in these things. Why do I know that? Because I've done 4 or 5 trailers already. It's very important. Yes. Give me a second, guys. I will go to the bathroom real quick. But we'll start out zoomed in and we will zoom out in this clip. So basically, I'll turn that into a compound clip. And that is part 2. Hire me, my handshakes. This is basically the skill tree. Let's name it like that. Then we also do 120% maybe. Wow, it goes so quick. So like now we are only looking at 7 seconds. So we have 3 seconds for this. Less than 3 seconds for this. I could speed this up even more. Sorry. Great artists, always yoink. Yeah. Open up in timeline. Let's do a zoom. How much do we zoom in? Let's say without the UI, huh? How about this? We start out zoomed in like that. And then I can go ahead and... Oh, I need to zoom out, right. Well, it does work as well. Eh? Oh, shit. I suppose I need to do a pivot point, an anchor point, so that when it zooms out, we are... Oh, no. Fuck, man. Let's see how that looks. That looks bad. Because it goes up. I should not go up, I should go to the left. I might redo the recording to go to the left. And then it moves to the left, the recording, and I don't show the UI at the top here. I think that's bad.
Du hast die Waschmaschine.
Ist hier die Heizung wieder an? Ja, voll auffüllt, ja, je.
Let me see. Yeah, I mean, it is how it is. My god, it just makes me mad. Just makes me fucking mad. Fucking idiot. What did he say? It's about the heating. And like, I'm literally focusing right now. It's being incredibly rude. It makes me really mad. But hopefully the game sells and then I can buy my own flat. I'm tired of this. It's not the only thing. Let me see here. I need to do it again, guys, because I want to move. Like, this is centered and I want to move to the left. So I'll have to do that again. There we go. Okay, so basically, we'll start here. Okay, ready? There's too much going on. You can barely tell where the cursor is. No, you follow the cursor. I don't know. Like, I put this in the middle here. And then I zoom in and I just move together with the cursor. I think that's fine. I just gotta... I hate that. So I need to know where the skills will appear. Yeah, just that bad mouse movement. Okay, one more time. Good. I like that. That's nice. Draw on the screen. Yeah, on my monitor, right? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I mean, part 2 was nice, but we have a better part now. Part 2, 2. No, huh? Yeah, because I fat fingered something. Whoops. Hey, come back. You can't be. What did I do? No, why? Huh? You can't be serious. I somehow deleted the file into oblivion. Where is the file? Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind today. Oh my god. Hello. Is it short? Hello? Hello? What the hell? Sorry. This door. Wait, is it here? Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm not having the best day today. Trailer is one of the most difficult things for me. I apologize. Skill tree. Sorry guys. I'll try to do better tomorrow. Do it one more time. The cursor movement is just shitty, man. But maybe it's better. It's not as bad when it's sped up. Let's see. Try and lower mouse DPI. New compound clip. Create. 1.3. Let's see. How much are we? We're looking at a 16-second difference. I suppose it's fine. There's a hiccup here. But I suppose it's okay. Ruined trailer, failed game. Yeah, that's better. All right. Let's see. Good. That's it. That's the compound clip. And obviously, what I want to do is start zoomed in. Let's say 1.5. We said that at the beginning. And then we will slowly zoom out and zoom to the right. So by the time we get here, we should have moved a considerable amount. And I want to zoom out a tiny bit. But not by much. Oh god, that's too fast. That is way too fast. Okay. It's fine. Let's try moving 120 pixels. And also I want this to be a curve where the zoom or the position is curved. Bruh. Is there no way to like increase that? Can't see it properly. I mean, it's fine. For now. Let's look at the transition between the two. I think it's okay. So we are looking at 7 seconds so far. Could you re-record with mouse hidden and add a mouse in editor to tween it nicely and plus time it? Nah, not now. Maybe if I do it again, but I think I'm okay. Let's look at it again. Hey, I'm not buying any ads on TikTok or YouTube for this, no. Okay. We have shown the skill tree. What next? Any transition between cuts? Well, yeah, I can. We'll see what type of transitions I do. Now we have this. What now? Different environments. I feel like I've shown most of the things, right? And this is the end part too. And if we want to go and have, let's say... Oh, there's 40 seconds of trailer. Let's go to 30 seconds, right? If, let's say, we make a 30-second trailer, then we have 24 minus 7. We have quite a bit more to go. What does your text document say? Well, now it gets a bit blurry. So, showing use of the skill tree. Show skill tree with nodes being allocated. We have done that. Oh no, what did I do? What the hell? Sorry, I clicked the wrong. Guys, am I live still? Guys, my brain is so cooked. I don't even remember how to show up. Guys, how do I show up? Ah, I remember. Okay. I forgot how to show up this box here. It's Windows and the comma key. Insert PPT of why people should buy your game. What is a PPT? Late game boss fight. Okay, let's compare trailers again. So they show the skill tree here. Then they show a bit more. Show a bit more. Show more skill tree. Show a bit more. Show more skill tree. Show a bit more. Basically, it repeats. Skill tree, more stuff, skill tree, more stuff, skill tree, more stuff. Okay. What about gnomes? Gnomes shows different environments with different enemies. It shows this. I think it's a bit too complicated, but... Okay. You don't like this trailer? You don't have to like it. The game is proving that it works. So your opinion is invalid because you are one person and the majority of people like it. You need to get into the habit of not thinking for what you want, but what the majority wants. At least when it comes to these things. Unless you are okay with selling the game to yourself. That's okay. If that's what you want, sure. Okay, 7 seconds. Don't insult. It's not an insult. It's not being... No, I did not insult him, guys. You are wrong. You're stupid. That was an insult. An insult. Okay? I was just saying the truth. There's a difference. I don't like the Gnomes trailer intro, to be honest. Yeah, for me, the Gnomes trailer was also hard to understand, if I'm being completely honest. But that doesn't make it bad. You know? What are your 2D rendering methods? Batched, instancing, indexed rendering. Hello, Nahan Codes. How you doing? Yeah, I was telling the truth. The truth is, you need to stop thinking for what you like when you want to make a game to sell. Because then the majority decides, not you. That's just what it is. You know? Tell the Concord devs that, bro. They decided for themselves. That worked out very well. I need to go to the bathroom. 1 sec. Avatar Fazula is stupid. Yeah, Schedule 1 dev totally took a game idea that... Like, it was already proven that it's gonna work, bro. What you talking about? There was a drug dealer simulator. He just made it better. He made a better drug dealer simulator. Why am I talking to these idiots? Anyways. Let's move on here. Like, I'm tired of these arguments. Just... You stupid, man. The game has 9,000 reviews. He made Drug Dealer Simulator in beta. You're dumb. The game was out before he made it. Don't you remember the big headline that they are suing the Schedule 1 developer because they made like, oh, he's copying our game? No, he was just inspired by the game and he knew it was gonna work. God, people are so stupid. Make me mad, especially today. Ah, it makes me mad. Oh, this guy is a big dum-dum. Now, say sorry. Cakez, I was wrong. I was being a big keyboard warrior. I apologize, right? Okay, let's go here. So, Shotanji using ability on hit chain lighting. Zoom out to show the map full of action. Maybe we should now show a map full of action after this. Or is that too fast? Should we show medium action now? What do you guys think? Medium action or big action? Full big action? If I copy Minecraft, I'll become a millionaire. Is this guy a fucking retard? Is this guy dumb? Oh, he makes me so mad. It's insane. Is it on Steam? What is everyone playing right now? Oh my god, it makes me mad. It's insane. Oh my god, this guy's stupid as hell, bruh. He's even dumber than me. That's impossible. No Steam release. Where did it release then? Like, how do people play it? Yeah, see, like, this guy knew the game would be so big, he didn't need to do a Steam release. God, this guy's dumb. Holy shit, it makes me mad. God, it makes me mad. Say sorry. Say sorry, Avatar of Azula. Come on, say sorry. Cakez, I was wrong. Sorry for rage baiting you. You are right. That's all you need to say. Okay, bro? It's fine. I'm not insulting him. I'm saying the truth. Don't say it. You need to download the launcher to play it. Oh, this guy has balls. Holy moly. Where's my game? Ah, here. All right, you guys are saying I should do a big map. Big map. 1 million players on launch. Damn. I saw some of his Reddit posts. I was like, yep. At first I was mad because it was literally just Minecraft, and then I was like, okay, well, this guy's smart. But first thing first, I was mad first, yeah. The owner of the biggest Minecraft server made a Minecraft copy. Of course, it will have audience. Yeah, and it's a Minecraft copy that is done, that is probably done very well. He took a concept that works and added stuff to it to make it better. Yes. Schedule 1, by the way. Fucking dumbass. In a positive way, okay? Dumbass in like a dumb, okay? So like not negative, but positive, okay? That doesn't even work, but okay. Okay, let's do a mission then. Shall we? %25% attack speed is too much, by the way. But okay. You're gonna go for bleed damage. That'll be your thing. Positive dum-dum. I took Doom 1 and made it better. So I follow the same recipe. Yes, of course, that's what you do, man. It's normal. That's what most people do. Like, Minecraft was literally a copy of another game. What are we even talking about? So these people made games that they knew would do well. Of course. Because they didn't just want to make a game for themselves, they also wanted to sell it. So you need to look at the market. You need to look at what people like. Okay, we show a different map. Do we show this map? I feel like I could show this map. I'm trying to make, I'm finishing this. Ugh, whatever. I'm not arguing with this guy. I'm tired. See, like, yeah. Do we do this map here, guys? I think it would be nice. Show forests, no. Pit. Another forest necro map. Nah, too much. I show this, the pit, and the necro map. Won't argue anymore. I don't have time to argue. If I argue, the game takes too long. I don't know what I do here. Not sure why I loop over them. Because I do
more than
nothing.
one means...
Not sure what this for loop was for. But okay. Let's see. So I kind of have to play a bit for this. It's almost 6 p.m. God damn it. So now we are in the middle portion of the trailer. And let me see what I put on the list. I feel like I haven't shown the healer yet. I really want to show at least the healer doing a heal.
Oh, I see. I have written my own code.
A big AoE heal.
To that. I have followed this principle here. Not this one.
So how about this? We do 64. We double the range. And then I will place a healer. Whoops. I will place a healer. Here. Place a defender. Here. Place a ranger.
I wanted to relax. Got that
Next to this. Put her here. Place a ranger here. Place a ranger here. Place a defender here. Place a healer here. And put some items on these duties. I want him to have a cool looking sword. I'm just gonna toggle the item list. That's easier to do. So I need the AoE healing wand. For healing. Then the healer should probably have something else that looks cool. Like maybe the Santa head? Maybe. Or maybe not. We'll see. I mean, I can also do the magic mantle. I do not have that many different things. And then the defender should have this. Boss portrait wrong. Yeah, good idea. Thank you, Mr. Shade 11. I appreciate that. Isn't it weird that in the trailer all item costs are 0? Don't tell me it is here. You don't see it. You don't see it in the trailer. Oh, it kind of is. But it could also be, yeah. But it shows that there's meta progression. Because like yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, most people won't notice this. It's fine. No, we're not going to redo that part. Absolutely not. It's fine. No, 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 no. Guys, I'd redo it. Yeah. No, you would not. You are a freaking liar, man. That's what you are. A liar. You are a liar, man. Stop lying. I'm gonna show the steel sword because I love me some steel swords. Looks bad. You mean yourself? I think this part looks nice. Gonna give you arrows. A nice cape. You get a bow. What type of bow do you get? Longbow? Okay. And then I kind of want to show the emerald bow too, but that would be stage 2. The other guy is getting a crossbow. Where's the crossbow? Yeah, you get the crossbow. Then the healer can also do a health banner here. That will look cool. See, like health banner. Like this. This part should be fine. Here, I'm gonna give him a broken shield, an iron sword, so to show that he's not that equipped yet, but does have some defenses. Maybe a different sword though. Nah, it's fine. Yeah. And she is gonna have a different wand. And I guess an offhand like that. Spyglass. Okay, and so the way this is gonna work is I will... He's gonna have that, and... Let's do that here. He's gonna have this. And this. The way this is gonna work, I'm going to make a fake, yes, fake, round. So that I can spawn the enemies I want to spawn and then show like a lot of enemies incoming with a lot of fight. So essentially, round 0 trailer. At the bottom, round path 0, I want to spawn rolling frosts. A lot of them to freeze my units. And then she's supposed to heal everyone with AoE heal. Let's see if this works first. But with a delay. You'll see what I mean soon in a second. Let's test this first. Lying in ads. This is trailer hacking. Yes, this is trailer hacking to showcase different mechanics. Let's see. They die before they reach me. That's the problem. Yep. The problem is they die before they reach me. Because this guy is too strong. Meaning I have to move this guy away. Somewhere else. Show the boss moving? Yeah, that'll be shown soon. But I have to first make it so... Ah, shit, I should have done it here. Get rid of the UI as well. A good idea. At least some parts, right? This stuff here, maybe that stuff. But I think it's better if I zoom out and then it shows the UI. What are you showing it all here? The boss portrait is wrong. I'm going to start zoomed in and then I zoom out into the action. That's the idea. Just wait. So let's try that. Why do they not take any... Oh, they do. But the changes don't have health bars, I see. And one of them just rolled past. Because they don't have enough range. Let's see. Rolling frost. They need more range. Floxit, and thank you guys for subscribing on YouTube. I appreciate that, you guys. Let me see. Range. Let's give them like 24 range. Thought the game was released. The game is currently on Steam, awaiting their approval. So the game is uploaded. I just have not heard back from Steam yet. I submitted it 2 days ago. And now we are doing marketing only. And we are tracking how many wish lists we have and stuff like this. Look at this, guys. 3,206. So we got like 10 wish lists already today. That's nice. I appreciate the support, my brothers. Thank you. Good stuff. I think we can at least reach 4,000 wish lists before release. Better would be, of course, to get to 7,000. But we'll see how that will turn out. Right. Yeah, that's what I want to show. Okay? That's the idea. But give me a second. I need to wait for it to stop. Okay, because that was annoying. Do I show this? Like this, maybe? Do I move Tangy out of the way at all? Maybe that? Alright. So basically, I'm going to do this. Boom. 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 AoE heal. She's not positioned correctly. She needs to be positioned so that it heals all of us. All of them. Yes. Okay. So that is set in stone. Now, what I need to do is I need to spawn a lot of enemies at the top already so that there already is a fight. I need to change the portrait here. That's easy. That's I can do that fast. And I need to make it so that there's a lot more enemies coming or already coming before the rolling goose hit my dudes here, so that when I zoom out, there's almost an entire map of action, especially when it comes to the top here and there to the left. You know, that is the idea. And so I'm going to fabricate this part of the trailer a lot. But yeah, it's gonna be a bit of work, and I hope I can get it done in like 10-20 minutes. Let's begin with the icon for the boss. Right, so we need that. And I don't know. I think I can put stuff. I don't think this... What? Maybe. But then why would I put it here? In like such a bad spot. Let's see. Maybe it is not important. Is anything broken? Difficult to say. Does not look like anything is broken at this moment. But I don't know for sure. If it is, then I will just adjust this thing here, because that's in the wrong location. I'll put it here or something. Okay. Let's make a new sprite for the other boss. Actually, that's not what I need. Need that part here. I mean, I'll fix the other stuff. Let's get some of the golem. Mr. Golem. Doesn't really matter what I take, right? That'll be enough. Okay. I'll just put him here. I think that's fine. There you go. Okay. Oh, and by the way, the Steam support, they contacted me a couple of days ago, 2 days ago actually, about showing Steamworks related settings and stuff on stream. And I'm gonna say this now one more time. And it should be a given, right? And people have told me this in the past many times. They do not want that developers show anything related to Steamworks on stream and YouTube videos whatsoever. But it is fine if you show, for example, the wishlist page. I am allowed to show this, but I am not allowed to show like the home, Steamworks, and other settings that are related to Steamworks, the back end, so to say. So I can show this, that's fine, right? And I'm pretty sure it's okay if I like show the top part here too, because like there's no other settings. But it's not okay if I show like the other Steamworks pages and so on and so forth. And this has been now 2 people that have said that from Steam. So if you heard anything else, that is wrong. And if you show something else, you could potentially get into trouble with Steam. And I have to say that I'm incredibly thankful that they reached out to me and told me to not do it. Which is, it's like a warning, but a nice warning in my opinion. And so, yeah, and the reason why I'm saying this is maybe you do it too, but you're not as fortunate as me, meaning you might get banned. And so I just want to make sure that no one faces that issue of getting banned because they have shown something they should not be showing. Why? I don't know. I can ask why. I can ask the person that the ticket is still open. I can ask why they don't want it. How did they reach out to you? Through a ticket. They made a ticket and then contacted me. Like they basically opened up a ticket themselves. So either someone from Valve has seen the stream or someone from the stream has reported me to Valve, one of the two. Bite Me Games said that before. What did they say before? You see, like, I heard that Bite Me Games said that you can show Steamworks settings, but that is not true. And so I don't know if they actually said that or not. Let me see here. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted. They said Valve told them, but me said they can. You cannot. I've been told by 2 Steam people not to do so. So either, and here's the thing. Maybe someone on Steam is okay with this. But I have had now 2 people tell me not to do it. Which is already incredibly kind of them to do that. So better not get unlucky and have someone that will ban you or worse, right? So it seems like internally in Steam there are people with different opinions on what you can show and not show. So better not risk it, because there are people that don't want you to show it. Even if there's 1 person or 2 people or 2 that say it's fine. Just putting that out there so that there's no confusion. Okay. Because I was, to be honest, I was not expecting to be contacted by Valve saying, hey, please do not do that, right? So that made me question, like, okay, wait a minute. That is more important to them than I thought, actually. And so I've been incredibly lucky that I did not get banned. But imagine, right? Someone works on a game for a long time and boom, they get banned because they show a page they're not supposed to show, right? Because there's one guy involved, maybe he's having a bad day or something, right? Can happen to anyone. And boom, he's like, oh, this asshole has shown a page that he's not supposed to show, NDA breach, boom, goodbye, right? That's bad. So yeah. There you have it, boys. Likely a troll reported to. It doesn't matter if a troll reported me or not. It's good to know that. Valve is pretty chill on this, but still, it's important to keep in mind that it's not allowed, guys. It is not allowed, and that's final. How did they know that you streamed? Probably I got reported. But I don't think it was Rico. Don't think so. Okay. Now I did change this, but the icon does not change. Why? You can't be serious, man. Come on. Why is the icon not changing? The bar icon. Eh? Boss HP bar. So it does draw that. How's the trailer by now? 7 seconds. Plus an outro of 6 seconds. Minus the title, we don't have it yet, but that will be once the guy is done. Because you showed that, I know where I can find wishlist for my game. Thank you. Yeah, it is a little... I'm gonna be honest. It is a little unfortunate that you cannot show many of the Steamworks things. I really want to show them too, but... Listen, guys, it is just too risky, okay? If they go out of their way to contact you not to do or show something, then it must be very important to them, okay? And you can push your luck, of course, but I feel like Valve is incredibly generous. And we are lucky to not have a stupid leadership like Twitch when it comes to Steam, okay? Or people in charge of support. We are incredibly lucky. Portrait. It shows the Goblin Brood. Why? Frost Garden should have a different bar icon. Yeah. I don't understand. So it creates a new enemy. Huh? Enemy Frost Guardian. So that does work. What is Frost Guardian? That should work, because it's a constant. Identifier not found. Okay, what is Frost Guardian 48? Can't be serious, can you? It's a brute. It did not change. Why? I thought I built the game. Super cool. Space, 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 space. Denied. Oof. Oof, my man. Oof. John from Valve. Good boy. Who's John from Valve? Okay, so you're pretending to be someone else. Yeah. I see, my man. See what you're doing here, bro? Think I'm stupid? Mm-hmm. Right, so this code should happen whenever I build the game. Because it's supposed to reload the enemies one more time. It does. So it puts the enemy's bar icon to Frost Guardian. Yeah. Ah, I know why. I can't type. Encyclopedia. Hä? Encyclopedia entries. My wife's calling. No. Yeah, I forgot. God damn it, man. Why did I have to have an issue on work today, bro? Fuck. God damn it. Fine. I need to leave. Chat, I need to leave. Can I do the trailer at home? I guess I can record a couple of pieces, but I can't edit it. It's fine. I'll save the trailer. I don't have time. God fucking damn it. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, and I totally forgot. I thought she asked me 6:30 and I was like 6:30. It's like, I don't know. I'm sorry. Trailer. I try to get it somehow done until tomorrow, okay? So we are done with this trailer. Sorry, guys. I just don't know how I'm supposed to do all of that. It's fine. Let's continue tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have time to raid. I apologize. I'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you had a good day today, and thank you guys for joining. Okay. Sorry for the like somewhat down stream today. Nothing really worked. It is how it is. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.